Okay, Bobo the Bitcoiner is back. Today, let's move away from geopolitics to a reserve currency for the moment. All right, let's go back to the basic. And here, I would like to refresh my earlier crash course episode 70A to F. All right. First, let's explore the Bitcoin blockchain. We should know what Bitcoin or what Bitcoin blockchain is by today, right? Actually, it is a database of transactions, except that it cannot be edited, erased, or hacked because of its decentralization. What I want to show here is transparency. If you simply type blockchain.com Explorer, you will get this page, all right, which tells you exactly what is blockchain all about. It's a record of ledger where all the Bitcoin information are available. All right. For example, the price, okay, the mempool size. Mempool size means to say those transactions waiting for the final proof of work. Then you have the latest block. Until today, we have 733,599 blocks already mined. And here is most important area I like to show, the latest transaction. All right. Right now, you see the time is 13:18. It's live. All right. Let me see all transactions. Now, you see here all the details of the transaction every minute. All right, 13:19, 13:18, and it's all moving. It's live. Every transaction will go through this process. I pick this one for example. Let's take one of this one. This one has a value of 3.75 Bitcoin. All right, let's look at US dollars. The value is 150,000 and the fee is 46 cents. Look at how cheap it is. All right. Then you have the hashing. These are the wallet. From this wallet, it's sent to two other wallet. All right. It's split into two different value. Then what you can see are all very transparent here. All right. The hash that used to confirm this, it is considered as unconfirmed because waiting for the final proof of work. All right. The time, it was at this time, at this second even, and this is byte. This is very important because all the fees are based on byte size of the message. Okay. Waiting in the mempool, the value is 150,000 and the fee is 46 cents. Everything is so transparent. All right. You see here the wallet that sent out this $150,000 and it went to two different wallets. Okay. So all these are what I call very transparent Bitcoin blockchain. Right. I see I can pick a bigger amount to demonstrate. Okay, so far. Okay, this one is pretty big, 299,000. 299,000, and fee is $4.68. And because the size of the byte is 1,004. This important area you will understand later on. Okay. Okay. Let's now Now, you can see from this home page, all right, show how transparent Bitcoin blockchain is, all right. And don't forget, blockchain.com, this website, is just a company who compile all the activities happening in the blockchain. All right. Basically, come on. Just information. All right. Let me give a quiz. What did the blockchain, or where did the blockchain data resides? It's actually in every Bitcoin server. In other words, in every Bitcoin nodes. There are more than 20,000 nodes globally. So each node is a server, and each node carries a copy of blockchain transaction record. Quick and short for today, I will go through every stage of the Bitcoin process, short and sweet, so that you can understand better. Okay? Don't forget to like, and also don't forget to subscribe, because you will get the continual YouTube that I'm coming out in continuation of understanding Bitcoin better. Okay? See you again. Take care. Bye bye.